opportunity for you, and we'd also, after you're done, like Amrita. Amrita, as soon as you're ready, we'd love to have you say a few words. Just to let you all know, the Stephen Hafner jewelry, which is part of the Gitanjali luxury brand.
Good afternoon to all the media for coming here. Thank you very much. We always have your very kind support. It's been a wonderful experience, me being a part of this whole group. It's a great family to be a part of. It's really nice that we are being able to bring down international brands and taking India on an international level. Our main aim is to make jewelry more affordable, so that we not only are selfish and say diamonds are a girl's best friend, but we also have an opportunity to say diamonds are everybody's best friend. So it's really nice having these international brands come home, and hopefully you all are very jewelry happy. It's my pleasure being here with you all today. Thank you.